I'm starting a website called OnlyVans, and it's all this raunchy.
What is up, everybody? Welcome back to the Double Double Show. I am Kyle.
I'm Ryan.
We're just pretty pumped about this guest we have today, because we're gonna just hop right into it, because he's a friend of ours. He lives in a van, and he just is a absolute rock star.
Hey, this is where the music keys in. Ta-da, ta-da, ta-da. So I started building a van at the beginning of COVID. It took me about 6 months, built this lovely thing. I think you guys were the first that I talked about the van with. Just finished the podcast. Thank you to Ryan and Kyle over at the Double Double Show. Super fun, super awesome to get to have an extended conversation, talk about van life, talk about why I'm doing what I'm doing and how I got into this and everything. Now we're headed up to Steamboat. It's about a 2-hour drive and it's almost dark. We have about maybe 30 minutes left of sunshine, but it just started snowing. It looks like it's going to be a little bit of a sketchy drive, but it should be okay. Get up to Steamboat, hopefully do at least a day or two of skiing at Steamboat, and then head over to Salt Lake City. Let's get going. Hey, and you thought we made it to our place to sleep? So did I. So I settled down in that Walmart parking lot. I was so excited, had a beautiful little spot. And then I got a knock on the door about an hour into sitting here.
Housekeeping.
About to cook dinner, about to like start really spreading out, taking my clothes off.
Get out of here, you nosy little pervert, or I'm gonna slap you silly!
And this guy knocks on the door and said, hey, I'm plowing here, and I just want to let you know, if you stay here, they'll tow you. You're not allowed to stay at the Walmart parking lot during snow removal. He said it's fine when it's not snowing and not removing the snow. Technically, they can still tow you, but nobody really is going to bother you. But since it's snowing, he said they're going to come tow you. And once they hook up to you, you have to pay them $200 just to unhook. Otherwise, they tow you. So he said, just go find like a Holiday Inn or something. Maybe that'll work. So I found an Holiday Inn nearby because it's in the middle of nowhere, a steamboat. Parked so that my rear is against the hotel so that hopefully no one can tell someone's in here. And we'll see how this goes.